cannot see you.
Wait, just a bit.
Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay, okay, now. Okay, where are you from?
I am from New Delhi.
New Delhi. Do you work there? Yeah, job. Yeah, something. Studying there.
No, I don't do anything. I just stay at home and I just
Okay.
relax. Just a moment. I just want to interrupt you. You are recording the video, right?
Yeah, I'm recording this video. Okay. First of all, I want to confirm. Should I upload this video on my YouTube channel?
I think yes, you can upload the video there.
Okay. You can visit my YouTube channels, Camly Blocking.
Okay, all right.
Mm, absolutely. Okay. What have you done in education?
Okay, just a moment. Hold on. I think you can't see me, right?
Yeah, I'm not seeing you. Only your desktop. I'm looking your desktop.
Okay, just a second. Just hang on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought ago 5 day I will conversation with you, but you was engaged with another. That's why I couldn't talk to you.
Yeah. Maybe I apologize for that. I could not give you
Mm,
time the other day.
yeah. Okay.
So
Okay. No mention this.
yeah, would you like to tell me something about yourself?
Yeah. My name is Kesaf. I'm from Agra. I have done at 12th class as well as I am pursuing my BA third year. I will complete this year, my BA third year. As well as my hobbies are his playing volleyballs as well as also most I I'm fond of making new friends. I want to meet a new friends. So it's my hobbies as well as and it's normal. I'm a reading English. I'm preparing a new platform in my life. I have a two YouTube channel also. Two channel, one YouTube, one more is motivation regarding like a phone regarding motivation, and one is Cambly English learning. And if you want to watch my another channel, I will send you my channel link. Then you take a look my channel. Tell me how is my voice, sound mode, and something.
Okay, that's very nice. So, how long have you been learning English, Keshav?
I feel learn English for 1 year,
For
but
1 year.
I started focus. I started focus only last 5 year. Sorry, 5 months. Sorry for this. Only
Okay.
5 months with focus,
Hmm.
concentrate.
So tell me something, since we both are Indians. So and as far as I'm concerned, I know that English is a part of our syllabus in the school. So did you
Mhm.
also study English in school?
No, no. And my class was Hindi medium. My school was Hindi medium totally. Even I tend to study in English. I go 5 year, 2 year. But because since I started my life changing and like I was gonna in a job sector, I started. I felt that time I should speak English. I must speak English because without English I can't. I go 10 year when watch childhood in a school at 12th class, 5th class, 10th class. I didn't know what will happen in life. But since I started job and like a 20 old 18 20 old since I started looking for job, I felt I should speak English. I should learn. Then I focused. I think this is they watch a Hindi school, Hindi medium, but no issue. But nowadays we are young, we can speak, we can do everything.
Correct. I completely agree with you on this. So you
Yeah,
said you didn't study English ever in school, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, all right. That's not a big deal, but I can
Mhm.
still see that your English is quite good. You're
Yeah, yeah.
speaking.
Thank you.
So
Mhm.
I mean, I think that you have you're working on your skills, English skills, very nicely, and you're spending a lot of time in learning this language.
Yeah, Yeah, absolutely. You said quote. I keep speaking English. I have my subscriber, 100 subscriber, active subscriber. I talk to daily with my subscriber with the British sound. I know three language: Hindi, English, British sound. I can speak with the sound British, but I don't show up. Somebody want to request, then I talk to somebody in the British sound. But some then matter somebody comfortable any language, then I can talk to. But mostly I speak English since I started. My English, I engage in English. I began to engage in English. So many people judge me, judge me. What why are you speaking English? Because you belong to Hindi language. But please, you are something showing or boosting. Want to you show up? No, nobody. I want to get job. My English purpose is job. I want to earn money more. I can get job, but not a my level. I want to grab a lots of knowledge in English and sectors. So I want to earn money. If I don't speak in English, I can get job normal, not a high position, not a high quality. I can meet with high quality people. That's why I want to learn speaking English. My purpose is job.
Yeah, I know that's a very sad state of affair in India that people who can't speak English, people think that they are not educated. So that's a very
Mhm.
sad mentality of our Indians, and I
Yeah.
think people should realize that, people should change that it is not like if somebody is not able to express their ideas in English that he is not educated. It's not like that, right? But
But
yet,
in India,
hmm,
but yeah, yeah, you said good, but so many people judge if you want to start new setup, new something to somebody judge, somebody throw back. Nobody want to let go ahead.
yeah, okay. So,
Even
so, so tell me something, Keshav. So, what do you do to improve your English apart from your making videos on YouTube? What do you do apart from that to learn English?
yeah, yeah. First of all, I have got recharge family with phone. I talk to with phone now
Okay,
daily,
all
and
right.
I talk to with phone now on alternate days. Not a daily. I have a 1 month recharge, 1 week, 3 day. I talk to. Then my English is improvement, but I do whatever I thought. I think only English. Whatever I think in English. Don't think I don't translate in Hindi to English. Compare Hindi to English with compare. I don't compare to whatever I think in English. That's why I want to my English. I want to show off anyone. What am I? What I was? What am I now?
So, what do you do to improve your grammar? Are you also working on grammar?
I don't focus. To be honest, I don't focus for grammar. Grammar is big for me. I can't focus because if I learn grammar, grammar only translation, translation, translation. But I know grammar is part of English. We should focus grammar. But I focus only some, and I every time or grammar 1 hour every day. I learn new structure from grammar. I learn new sentence from grammar. I want to uh, like examination. If you want to clarify examination, you focus grammar. But I keep the 1 hour to my grammar. So I focus only. I want to implement something grammar as well as English spoken. It's a usual. We should do this. Mhm.
Okay. But I think grammar is also very important part of this process of learning English, because what I feel is nowadays people don't believe that they should be learning grammar to speak English. They think that they
Yeah,
can
yeah.
speak English fluently without learning grammar, but that's not what I believe. I personally believe, I may be wrong, I personally believe that we must learn grammar as well, because like we both are Indians, and English is not our mother tongue. It's a secondary language for us. Like uh, like
It's
your mother tongue is Hindi, my mother tongue is also Hindi. So
mhm,
whenever we learn any second language, it is very important
mhm,
for all of us to learn the grammar. Like we didn't learn grammar to learn Hindi, right? We know it because
mhm,
it's our mother tongue.
mhm.
We did not learn grammar to learn Hindi,
Yeah, but
but
I know grammar
yeah,
also Hindi grammar, but we should focus grammar. Without grammar, we can't speak English fluent. Yes, somebody say, and you can speak English without grammar. Yeah, you can, but not with flow. You don't know all structure. You don't know. You have to speak English with the grammar, but you don't think too much toward grammar. Think a little bit speak English and totally gradually. Only focus 1 hour, 2 hour, read the grammar, grab lots of vocabulary from grammar, structure, day by day. Or mostly like a phrasal. Phrasal is the most important for spoken. Phrasal. I speak phrasal, but some of people understand, not understand. But I can get over it. I can. If you don't focus grammar, you will fall down. You fall down. You will fall behind from a spoken English. Then you should focus grammar improvement little bit. But achieve it if you somebody want to focus on spoken, then focus. Otherwise, don't have any. You should focus.